In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Canva to Shopify. Full 2024 guide. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin so you can install the Canva Connect app and complete the quick onboarding. This setup lets you create on-brand designs in Canva and bring them straight into your store without downloading and re-uploading files. First, open your Shopify admin and head to the Apps section in the left sidebar. This is the hub where you manage everything you've installed on your store. On the Apps page, use the search option to look for new apps. In the search field, type Canva. Shopify will take you to the App Store search results for that term. From the results, open the Canva Connect app. You'll see an overview of what the app does, along with features and reviews. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will now show a permissions screen. This page explains what the app needs access to so it can work correctly, such as managing design files or connecting to your storefront. Review the details, and then click Install again to confirm. After installation, you'll be taken to the Canva Connect welcome screen inside your Shopify admin. Click the main call to action to begin the short setup. You'll see a field where the app asks for some basic details to tailor your experience. Type in the requested information as prompted. This is simply to help the app personalize recommendations and streamline your workflow. Next, select your industry from the drop-down. Choosing the best fit helps Canva suggest templates and visual styles that match your niche. Then, pick your preferred size or format. This might include common dimensions for banners, product imagery, or social posts, guiding Canva to surface the right canvas sizes from the start. You'll also see an option inviting you to join the broader community of Shopify merchants who use Canva. Click to join if you'd like updates, inspiration, and tips tailored to e-commerce design. It's optional, and you can proceed either way. When everything looks good, click Finish. That completes the connection. From here, you can open Canva Connect inside Shopify anytime from the app's menu. If you don't see the app immediately, double-check the spelling in the search, and make sure you're in the correct store if you manage multiple storefronts. You're all set. With Canva Connect installed and configured, you can create polished visuals and